I see a huge mistake that new designers make all the time. They try to design a logo in Photoshop and it ends up looking blurry and unprofessional when they try to resize it. This is because they are using a photo editor for a job that needs a vector tool. This is the single biggest difference between two powerful creative tools, the free vector app Inkscape and the industry standard photo editor Adobe Photoshop. In this video, we are going to do a simple comparison to show you what each tool is really for so you never make that mistake again. Let's start with the giant, Adobe Photoshop. The name tells you everything you need to know. It is a tool for working with photos. It is what is known as a raster graphics editor, which means it works with pixels. Pixels are the tiny colored dots that make up all photographs and most images you see online. The main job of Photoshop is to edit and manipulate those pixels. You use Photoshop when you need to retouch a portrait, change the colors in a landscape photo, cut an object out from its background, or combine multiple images together to create a new scene. It is the world's most powerful tool for photo editing if your work involves pixels. Now let's look at Inkscape. Inkscape does not work with pixels. It is a vector graphics editor, which means it works with mathematical points, lines, and curves instead. The amazing advantage of this is that anything you create in Inkscape can be scaled to the size of a giant billboard without ever losing quality or getting blurry. Its lines will always be perfectly sharp. This is the tool you must use to design a logo for a business. It is also for creating clean icons, business cards, flyers, and any other illustration that needs to have sharp lines and be used in many different sizes. If your design needs to be scalable, you have to build it with a vector tool like Inkscape. So, which one should you use? The answer is that you do not choose between them. They are not competitors. They are two completely different tools for completely different jobs, and professional designers use both of them all the time. A very common workflow is to design a clean logo in Inkscape and then import that sharp, scalable logo into Photoshop to place it on a website mockup or a social media graphic. To put it as simply as possible, for editing photos and creating pixel-based art, you use Photoshop. For design logos and scalable graphics, you use Inkscape. Knowing this fundamental difference is one of the first and most important steps to becoming a professional designer. All right, that's it for this comparison. I hope this clears up the confusion between the world of raster and vector graphics. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.